In this question, we are told that a 120 gram bar of soap contains 45 grams of soda. Now, we have to find what percentage of the soap is soda. So the whole soap is 120 gram, and the portion of it, or the part of it that is soda, is 45 grams. So we have to first express this as a fraction and then convert that into percentage. Solution. So the part of the soap that is soda is 45 grams out of 120 grams. Now, of course, grams cancel grams, so we have 45 over 120, which we will then express in its lowest term. So we'll divide this by 5 and divide this by 5. This would give us 5 in 45, that's 13. Hold on. 5 in 45 is not 13. 5 in 45 is 9. And then 5 in 120. 5 in 12, that's 2, remainder 2. And then in 20 is 4, that's 24. So we have 9 over 24. Let's see a factor, that is 3. Now let's divide by 3. And then 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. And then 24 divided by 3 will give us 8. So therefore, the fraction of the soap the fraction of soda in the soap is 3 over 8. So we've gotten 3 over 8. That is, the soap is 3 over 8 of soda. So this is the fraction of the soap that is soda. That's 3 over 8. Now let's convert that to percentage. So we have 3 over 8. We'll multiply that by 100%. Now when we break this down, 4 year to 4 year 25. This brings us to 3 multiplied by 25 over 2%. And this will give you 75 over 2%. You can leave your answer like this as an improper fraction of a percent, or you bring it to mixed fraction. And to do so, 2 in 7, that is 3, remainder 1. And then in 15, that is 7, remainder 1. So 37 whole number, 1 over 2%. So therefore, in the 120 gram bar of soap, 37.5% of it is soda. This is how the question is solved. Thank you.